Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we've basically been playing around with levels, testing, moving down to test levels, and I just want to get this out. We've got a fairly good level here. You can see how it was rejected. You can see how it was rejected there. If I move to the left, you can see use this resistance there, use the support, use the support. So this level here has been tested and rejected, which is 28,160. Okay, so firstly that validates a level breakout and retest, so that's a bullish signal. Next thing that we have is we've got a flag here. So there's our flag. Okay, so ultimately we should expect a measured move here, and it's something like that. Okay, remember the Dow is also lagging behind the S&P and the Nasdaq, and we have not tagged the all-time high yet, so that would obviously be my first target. Then the second target would be 3291, first target being 29,470. Okay, so let's just get down to levels we can trade at the moment. So right now we have not broken through the flag. Okay, S&P has pretty much broken through its flag, but the Dow is still very much in the channel. Okay, so that's one thing that you need to pay attention to. Just want to get rid of this level. There we go. We'll keep the flag in play. What we do have here is that was the first trend line there. Okay, you can see first touch, second touch, and just tidy it up there. Okay, so that was the first trend line, and you can see it's been adhered to pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth time. So we're looking for a breakout in this area, and you can see the level we're looking to break out of is right over here at 28,456. Okay, so if we get down to the hour, let's move us into the middle so we can see what's going on. Could be top of range, very possible, but the way that we're flirting with this trend line here, I would assume we're going to get a break. We're looking for a break above this area here. Okay, so a break above 28,456 and a retest there, that's going to validate a long for us. The other setup will be some form of a pullback, and unfortunately there are pretty much only deep pullbacks here. So pullback back onto 28,298 is the first option, and a deeper pullback into 28,250 is another option, and even a pullback all the way down here to 28,160 is another buying option. Okay, so it's buy the dips. As far as I'm concerned, this is probably going to turn around, and this pin bar here is a pretty solid indicator. Rejecting a level, tried to break through the level here at the open, and the bulls rejected that straight away. Got it back up, closed above the level, and then gradually got the momentum to the upside. Okay, so the first prize is going to be a break above here. So break above 28,456. When I see a bit of a pullback, you've got a nice area for a stop on the swing low, and then you're going to have to pay attention to this area here, okay, which is 28,628. That's top of the channel. Break through that, or ultimately a break through that area. Sorry, it's going to be a little bit lower, so it'll be on the swing lows here. Okay, so break through this area, 28,685. That's going to start validating the channel break, and then you can start looking for measured moves. Okay, so right now we're looking for longs. We'll have to wait and see what happens during the European session. I don't know if we're going to get moving, and there wasn't much the politicians could do last night. Even the debate didn't astonish people. So we're still waiting for stimulus, so just bear that in mind. We've only got hearsay around the stimulus at the moment. There's nothing on paper. So just keep that in the back of your mind. It could still be very volatile. So it could just be a case that investors decide, well, that's all a lot of rubbish, and push it down to the bottom of the channel. Okay, so just keep that in mind. The idea right now is we do have a potential change. We've had a couple of hours above the moving average, but if you look back, we had a couple of hours above the moving average here as well. Okay, and it fell through. So just keep that in mind. What we're looking for is structure and levels to hold. So as soon as we start breaking through these levels, that's when you can start getting a little bit more confident about what's going on. But if you look to the left here, look at that congestion over the last few days. So you should rather expect that congestion to continue than break through. Okay, so just keep that in the back of your mind. This is the ultimate level for me, 28,456. Get through that, find support there, then we're up to the next level, and then back to where we were, and then ultimately looking for 29,470. Okay, anyway guys, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.